पहले हम लोग सेल्फी ले लेते हैं। आपका कोई पिक्चर्स है?
हाँ?
आपका कोई पिक्चर्स है?
मेरा
हाँ
मेरा तो सब है सारे
हाँ, ये अपना है, ये अपना है। बढ़िया पिक्चर्स। I saw this picture. I saw. This picture is tired. Hi, how are you? না, প্রাইস কম বেশ সব কটা জানা আছে। Yes, boss. Please tell me something about the camera.
Bro, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Very good, bro. This is actually the new model.
Oh, this all are new?
GFX series.
Oh, okay.
This is a series.
Yeah.
This is
I
the
think
best
last
one,
time.
the GFX series. It's the best.
যেটা ওইটা 180।
ওটাই কিনতে পারতিস, তাই বলে এটা কিনবি একটুর জন্য? তুই 2 দিন অপেক্ষা করতিস।
ওই 2 দিনের জন্য, এই 2 দিন
পাগল হয়ে গেছিলি?
2 দিন করে করেই তো কিনতে পারিনি। 1 বছর ধরে বলছিলাম কিনবো কিনবো, কিন্তু এই একটুর জন্য কিনতে পারি না, এই জন্য এটা নিয়ে নিছি।
আচ্ছা, এটা কি বোকামো করলি?
না না,
এখানে কোথাও delete
এটাও
করবি?
খারাপ না কিন্তু।
না না, সে আমি বুঝতে
হ্যাঁ।
পারছি, কিন্তু
এখানে
এটা 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 তোলার পরে যে তুই তোকে আমি তুললাম, হ্যাঁ
Will be arriving soon, so kindly requesting everybody to please quicken up and please wait outside for our inauguration. Please be with us along with the inauguration.
বেটার টু ওয়েট আউটসাইড। ইনাগোরেশনের আগে
It's all they have beautiful latest cameras. Prices are latest cameras. By the company in Tamil Nadu. Yeah, even Switzerland, French people, all many people. And they have a very vibrant photographic club. 100 people are there. These people are there. Yes, yes. Not only from India. Bahrain is also there. Bahrain, yes, yes, yes.
Can we have the list of
Yeah, yeah, definitely, yes, yes. Kind of list, this gives a list of, the participants. Yeah, sure. They are waiting there. There are 3 people.
You can send it to me by
Yeah,
email.
definitely.
I have names.
Yeah, all names are there. Yeah, it's also a very celebrated, photographer.
So this time I thought of giving a different perspective. So these are the 3.
Actually, they are brother and sister.
Brother and sister. Okay. Which place?
Behind my house in Bangladesh.
In Bangladesh.
Silet.
Silet.
Yeah, here. All participants are from Bangladesh.
एडिटिंग में आ जाएगा.
KJ, the Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Bahrain. The guest of honor, Mrs. Huda Said Abdulghafar Al-Alawi, the Director of Communications and Promotions of Bahrain Authority for Culture and Antiquities, and Mr. Ravi, DC. May I request the Executive Committee of the Bahrain Kerala Samajam to please join on the stage to light the lamp, please.
Community and now towards the children as well. To the weekdays, actually till the 18th, actually when the book fair is happening, there'll be hundreds of children coming from different.
A mention about the prizes. The third prizes are camera bags. Was order. The third prize goes to Santana Srinivasan on the landscape category. Mr. Ravi DC along with the chief guest will give the award, please. The second prize in the category goes to Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh. I would request Mr. Arul Das along with the honorable chief guest and the BKS president to give the prize. The second prize are tripods. Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh. I think we need bigger round of applause for all these winners. And the first prize in the landscape category goes to Rajiv Verma. I will request the ambassador, His Excellency Vinod K. Jacob, to hand over the prize along with Mr. B.V. Radhakrishnan Pillai, and the prize is a camera worth around 1000 BD. Now we move to the second category, which is the wildlife. The third prize goes to Prajul Prakash. I would request any representative from the iBrand Connect to give away the prize along with the BKS members. Mr. Dilesh, kindly step forward. Along with the chief guest, hand over the prize to Mr. Prajul Prakash, third prize in wildlife category. The second prize goes to Mr. Padmanabhan Narayanan. I will request Mr. Dev Das, along with the guest, to hand over the prize, please. prize goes to Hani Badar. Hani Badar, I will request Mr. Joseph Khatij. Prize alongside His Excellency and Mr. Pillai, please.
He deserves.
A big round of applause for Hani Badar.
I knew it. I knew it. Yeah. You want to show you that? I knew it.
And the third category. Third category is street, or rather street life maybe. The third prize goes to, pardon me if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, Erika Melbastad. Erika Melbastad, I would request Mr. Firoz and Mr. Vinod, please give this prize to Miss Erika, the third prize on the street category. The second prize goes to Mr. Richard Lawrence. I will request Mr. John Joseph, alongside the chief guest, to give away the prize. Mr. John Joseph. Mr. John is not here. All right, Mr. Aridas, kindly do the honors, please. And the first prize, the last category, goes to Jairaj Shiva. I would request His Excellency Vinod K. Jacob and Mr. Pillai to hand over the prize.
Hi. Sachin. Can you show us? Oh, you're happy? You're happy. I will see your picture.